Assalamu alaikum. Ra could be scripted in three distinct ways in Thulusi script. It is difficult to determine which version is the primary version and which versions are alternatives, as all three versions occur in similar frequency. In this session, we are discussing Ra al-Mursal, which is comprised of three strokes, one of which is a hilya. The first stroke's length is roughly around 2 nuqtas. It moves down whilst shifting right by 1 nuqta and ends with downward tail end. The second stroke is a nearly linear stroke with a slight downward convex and has a length of 6 nuqtas. The stroke moves down and towards the left, dipping down by 2 nuqtas. The stroke ends with a flick of the wrist. The last stroke is a hilya that is scripted on top of the initial stroke. Coming to practical demonstration, first nuqta comes from, it is a straight stroke which is around 2 nuqtas. Then second stroke by overlapping the first stroke. And it is around 2 nuqtas in dip. Around 3 nuqtas, after around 3 nuqtas, you have to flip the column for obtaining the final stroke. Like that, we have to flip the column. Then we have to adjust it. For obtaining this, we flip the column and adjust the corners. Then third stroke, which is a hilya, just flicking the column. Inshallah, the remaining two ways of writing Ra will be taken in the upcoming lectures. If you found this session useful, please do like and share to your friends. Assalamu alaikum.